In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a SaaS with Bolt.new fast, and I'm going to show you how to get the most out of Bolt using the settings and knowledge. First, we're going to go over to VibeGuide. This is going to allow us to build the ultimate instructions for Bolt to be able to build our SaaS. When you're logged in, you got two choices here. You can build a specification or a requirements document for Lovable, or you can flick over and do it for Bolt. So we'll go with Bolt today. We'll give the SaaS a name. We'll go with YouTube script writer. Now I'm just going to pick one of these examples and then I'll modify it to describe it. So generate YouTube video scripts based on keywords and creator preferences. I'm going to change this. Just modified it a bit. So generate YouTube video scripts based on video title, keywords, and creator preferences. I'm going to leave the rest of this all default because we're running a demo here. I will actually change the theme color to green, but that's it. All right, let's generate the requirements document. Okay, we've got our requirements document back. You're going to notice 3 tabs at the top. I'm only going to go through 2 of them today. We've got this project requirements and a global knowledge base. So with the global knowledge base, basically we're going to use this to give to Bolt that's going to apply to all of our projects that we do in Bolt. So if you're doing SaaS and you have certain design guidelines you want to follow, a certain tech stack, this is what it's going to provide for you. So I'm just going to copy it, go over to Bolt, I'll go to the settings. Now in the settings, you'll see this knowledge. Now there's project and global. So I want this to go into global. I'll paste it in here, and this is going to help reduce the amount of errors we get when Bolt is building, because it's going to know what the prerequisites are, what to install, and what we're actually trying to do when we build a SaaS. So I'm going to save that. Now, the other little hot tip I've got for you here, if you go onto preview features, you can actually turn on this diffs feature, and what it's going to do, it's going to save you a stack of tokens, because when it finds an error, it'll just update those couple of lines of code, not the entire file itself. Now, I've got a bazillion credits at the moment, so I'm going to leave this off, but if you want to save heaps of tokens, turn it on. Back to VibeGuide, I'm going to go to the project requirements document. I'm just going to copy it, go to Bolt, we'll paste it in here, and then we will get Bolt to build our YouTube script generator. Now you can see it has built the app, but we've hit a problem straight out of the gate. So I'll go for the attempt fix. The issue actually might be that it's not connected to Supabase yet. So connect to Supabase. All right, so basically it had built the entire app. It just needed the connection to Supabase, which is one click just up here, connect it and you're done. So now that we're in, we can sign up. Get rid of that. So, okay, so we're in the application. Now we do need to provide an OpenAI key so that the script can be generated, and hopefully Bolt will ask us to do that in a second. Now I'll just ask it to complete the OpenAI call. So I've just asked it to complete the OpenAI API request to generate the script from the inputs, and also to let me know what they're going to call the name of the secret key. So it's going to be called OpenAI API key. So I've actually already entered that in on the assumption that that's what they would call it, because Bolt seems to always do that. The app has rebooted after these changes. Now, basically with 3 prompts, it looks like we're going to have the app built. Our authentication is already working. I'm signed in. I could sign out here. I'm just going to go into the dashboard now, and we're going to test this out. So we'll give the title as YouTube for Beginners. I'll type in books as a keyword, conversational, go for a short video, entertaining, and with a bit of luck, it's going to generate our script, but who knows, might get an error. No, it worked first time. So Bolt has been able to just take that extremely detailed instructions and global requirements for how we want to build, and build this entire thing just with one connection to Supabase, add the OpenAI key into the secrets, and we are good. That is really a super slick way of generating a SaaS, and obviously you can build upon this. You've got the profile, you've got sign in out. If you want to give this a go, head over to VibeGuide, and you can specify everything you want. I know I've gone through this quite quickly, but a lot of this stuff is pretty standard for a SaaS. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. If you got some value from the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.